In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your mic not working on Fortnite for PC. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually go into your Fortnite settings. So go ahead and open up your social page right here and then select the little settings here to bring up your Fortnite settings. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is go specifically into the voice chat section. This is going to be the communication tab right here. So go ahead and select that and just make sure, first of all, voice chat is turned on. There's a few different options on here. You have everybody, which is pretty common sense. That's going to be everybody. You have voice chat method through open mic. And then you're also going to have, an input device section. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. There's a few different things right here. I recommend just keeping it on everybody, but if you want it on other options, it's going to kind of break that down right here for you. But there's a few different things that we're going to check in here as well, just to make sure everything is correct. Obviously, make sure that you do have voice chat set to everybody or whatever you prefer. And from here, you could go ahead and just make sure that your voice chat method is set to open mic. Your voice chat input device, make sure it is set to your actual microphone, and then output device, make sure it's set to your actual headphones. Now from here, go ahead and go to the audio tab up in the very top and just make sure voice chat isn't muted and the game volume is set to 100%. After that, tab out of Fortnite and go down to your Windows driver down here and just find this little sound icon here and right click it. Hit sound settings and just make sure that this matches as well. You're going to want to make sure your headset earphone is set to your actual headset or whatever it might be. After doing so, you can go ahead and get back into Fortnite and it should be working. The reason we did that last thing is because Fortnite and Windows must be using the same input and output devices. If one is using a different mic than the other, it might not be heard, so we just want to adjust it accordingly. But that is it. Your mic now should be working properly. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.